In today's video, we're covering the retirement of Zoho CRM's old user interface, an array of new features in Zoho Analytics, the new email blocklist feature in Zoho Bookings, and a major upgrade to the Zoho Cliq REST APIs. Today is the 5th of June 2026, and this is the Zoho Report. Zoho has confirmed that the old UI in Zoho CRM will be retired on July 15. After that date, everyone will be automatically moved to the next gen UI, whether they're ready or not. The next gen UI, which Zoho is calling CRM for Everyone, has been rolling out in phases over the past year, and most organizations are already on it. But if you have been switching back to the old interface, the option goes away on July 15, with Zoho showing in-product banners since late May to flag this deadline. And there will be more reminder banners running through July, so your team should be seeing these already. It's important to note that the switch will be automatic if you don't do anything, but our recommendation is to make the move now so that your team can get comfortable with the new experience rather than being forced into it mid-month. Zoho Analytics has dropped its May 26 update, and there's a lot in here, so I'll be focusing just on the highlights. The Ask Zia enhancements are probably the most interesting part of this release. Zia can now generate key highlights alongside your query results, a narrative summary that explains what the data shows, why the trends or anomalies are occurring, and what they might mean for the business. So rather than interpreting charts yourself, Zia surfaces the relevant observations directly. Alongside that, Zia now shows the agent thinking process, which we find exceptionally helpful. It's a step-by-step breakdown of how it interpreted your question and arrived at its response. For anyone who's ever looked at an AI-generated insight and wondered how it got there, this gives you that visibility. On the visualization side, geo maps have now been updated so they respond to active user filters. Selecting a country from the filter automatically zooms the map into that region, which removes the need to build separate maps for different markets. KPI widgets now support custom backgrounds for color comparison indicators, making it easier to signal positive or negative performance at a glance without reading the numbers. Users accessing Zoho Bookings over the past few days will be treated with the new email blocklist feature, and it's a very welcome addition for anyone dealing with spam bookings, fake accounts, or repeated invalid booking requests, allowing you to now control who can book appointments through your booking pages. You can block individual email addresses or entire domains, and when someone attempts to book using a blocked email, they'll see a custom message that you've configured, so you can communicate the reason that they have been blocked and not have them just hit a dead end. Setup is straightforward. Head to the admin center, click email blocklist under the data administration section, and add your addresses or domains from there. It's worth noting that this feature is only available on premium plans. This one's for anyone building integrations on top of Zoho Cliq. Zoho has launched V3 of its REST APIs, which is a significant overhaul from the previous V2. The new release covers everything from consistent response structures, unified pagination, and new API endpoints for components that were previously UI only. There's a lot in the release notes, so it's worth checking out the full list of changes if you're currently or planning to integrate with Zoho Cliq. And that wraps up episode 14 of the Zoho Report. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next episode.